Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for this week on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 10th of February 2025, Peteni's day turns into a nightmare. Sibongile is ecstatic after joining a chastity group, but someone ruins her day. Battle lines are drawn between Mavis and Nomfundo. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, Wenzo realizes that Sibongile might be slipping out of his fingers and grows worried. Nengelosi reaches out to the Dlamini children, desperate to meet up with them, much to Peteni's chagrin. Mavis is conflicted about the competition. On Wednesday, the 12th of November, Student Life starts putting distance between Kwenzo and Sibongile. They spend Valentine's Day preoccupied. The Dlamini siblings spend time with their gogo, Nengelosi. The Chakalaka competition reaches a peak and a friendship hangs in the balance. Guys, that's going to be interesting of the dynamic of Usbongile and Ukwenzo. I mean, guys, varsity is Skolo. Like gets people so busy. So bona, how do they think they're going to drive a relationship where they're going to always be together, and while Usbongile has to focus on her studies? So Ukwenzo, maybe he needs to, give Usbongile some space for her to enjoy her varsity life and for her to focus on her studies. Now also as well, Umavis and Unomfundo have entered a cooking competition, guys, where they're going to win, or the winner gets to win a car. But it looks like they're going to be taking it too serious to a point where their friendship is going to be taken, you guys. Indaba kaNengelosi uPhetheni, shame guys, now that uNengelosi is out and about and Uvusi knows his grandmother, there's no turning back. She is going to be part of those children's lives. But the question is, what is the debt uPhetheni ayisabarangaga? Of uNengelosi being part of these children's life. Because remember, like, parents can be bad to you guys, but then they can be a good or extremely good grandparents because they've changed. Anyway, we will see how this all unfolds on this week, you guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.